What's up, you guys? Welcome to another video by King Obinnar, and in today's video we are going to look at how to integrate a payment gateway into your Google site. So if you have a Google site or you intend to have one, then trust me, you might need a payment gateway in order for you to collect payment. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate some couple of payment gateway into your Google site and how to go about it from every step. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. Okay, make sure to like this video as well to help the video reach as many people as possible. So like I said, we are going to be looking at how to integrate a payments gateway into our Google site. Okay, so to do that, of course, obviously we need a Google site. So make sure you come over to sites.google.com/new and create or set up your Google site. Okay, so after we've set up our Google site, let me just use one of this site as an example. Okay, so let me use this one as an example. So once you've set up your Google site, okay, so now in order for us to integrate a payment gateway, we actually need to have an account in those payment gateways. So I'm going to show you some awesome payment gateways that is really fantastic, and we are going to like it. Okay, so for, like I said, for us to integrate any payment gateway, we actually need to have accounts with those payment gateways. So the first payment gateway I'm going to be talking about is Flutterwave. Sorry, so go to flutterwave.com and sign up for a business account. Okay, so make sure you create an account in flutterwave.com. Okay, so now once you have an account with flutterwave.com, then now how do we integrate Flutterwave into our Google sites? Now we're going to do this using this method called payment links. So to locate payment links, just go to payment, then click on payment links. Now we can do this using two methods, okay, in Flutterwave, either payment links or invoices. Okay, but in today's video I'm going to be working on payment links. Okay, so once you click on payment link, then you're going to browse straight to your payment link. So in my case I have so many ones, but in your case, if your account is new, you will not have anyone. All you just need to do is to click on create a new payment link. Now once you click on create a new payment link, you're going to have several options. Okay, so this one is single charge, this one is subscription link, this one is donation link. So depending on what you're trying to sell or create with your Google site, each of this one is going to work for you. Now if you want a single charge stuff where you just want to charge them for once, then you can go with single charge. But if you want a subscription kind of stuff, then you can go with subscription link. Then if you want people to donate money to you, then you can go to donation. So this is one thing I love about this platform, Flutterwave. Okay, so you can integrate with several methods. So I'll just go to single charge. Okay, so once you go to click single charge and click on create link, you just need to enter the name of the page or the link and then the description, then select the amount and currency. So if you want to work with any currency here, as you can see here, there are several currencies. You can work with any currency you prefer right here, and you just need to enter the amount and click on create link. Now once you create the link, you're gonna have something like this. All you just need to do is to click on this section here that says copy, then this thing will be copied. So immediately it's copied, you head over to your Google site. Now to integrate it into your Google site, you just need to do a couple of things. So if you want to integrate that payment link we just created from Flutterwave into our Google site, it's either you create a button and add it. By creating a button, you just need to let's scroll down here. You're going to find this button section, click on button. All you just need to do is to enter a name for your button. Okay, so once you enter a name, all you just need to do now is to paste the link to the button. So this link is the payment link we created. So whenever they click on this button, it's going to take them to this link. So once you do that, click on insert and this button is going to be inserted. Now you can adjust this thing to any height or take it over to anywhere you want. So that's one thing I love about this. Now if you don't want to use this button method, you can also use link. So let's say for example you want to link this text right here, this last text, you want to make it a link. All you just need to highlight it, then click on this icon here, and all you need to do now is to paste that link here. Okay, so whenever they click on that text, you click on apply. So whenever they click on this text, now it's going to take them to that Flutterwave payment gateway. So you can do this on any text, or you can also do it on images as well. You can link this image to that payment. So you just need to click on that. You just need to paste the link on the image and click on apply. So whenever they click this image now, they'll be taken to that payment gateway. So you see how simple it is to integrate Flutterwave payment gateway into your Google site. Very, very simple. Now the second one I have for you guys, the second payment gateway is Paystack. Okay, just go to paystack.com. If you're in Africa, Nigeria, this one will be held very easy for you. So stick around, I still have other ones I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so once you have Paystack, now all you need to do is to come over to this section. Make sure you've verified and you've done it on your Paystack account. Just come over to payment page. Okay, in Paystack they call it payment page. So all you need to do is to click on new payment page and create a payment page. Now just like Flutterwave, you can create a one-time payment, subscription payment, or product payment. Now if you have a product, a physical product you're selling, you can go with product. If you just want to collect payment once, you can go with one-time payment. Now if you have a subscription stuff you're kind of running, then you can go with subscription payment. So whichever one you choose, just work with it. So once you click on it, you're just going to add the payment page name, the description. You can add an image if you want. You can make it a fixed payment amount, or you can also collect your customer phone. Once you create it, you're going to pin a link. Now with that link, you can do the same thing I showed you with Flutterwave. You can add it to an image, you can add it as a button. You can also link some text to it, so that whenever they click those text, they'll be taken to the payment page. So that's how you integrate with Paystack as well. Now how about PayPal? Okay, so some of you have PayPal accounts and you want to integrate your payment gateway with PayPal. Then it's simple. Just need to make sure you have your PayPal account all set up and running. So I'm going to log in my PayPal account again. It requires me to re-log in so that I can show you exactly how to go about it. So stick around while I try to log in my PayPal account and show you exactly how to do it. Yo, what's up? So I've actually logged in my PayPal account now, so I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate PayPal as a payment gateway into your Google site, which is actually very simple as well. Okay, so with PayPal, all you need to do is to log in your PayPal account, just like you see me do. I've logged in now. So once you've logged in your PayPal account, all you need to do is to click on this paid and get paid. So once you click on it, you come over to this section. You're going to find different sections here: request money, checkout, subscription, PayPal button, PayPal.me, sell on social. Okay, so but what we're looking for is PayPal buttons. So just click on PayPal buttons, and it's actually going to load and give us these three options. Now in your case, you might have other options. You might have this option of, you can have a buy now button, you can have add to cart, you can have subscribe, you can add auto billing. But in my case, I think with my PayPal account, I don't have access to that immediately, but I have access to these three immediately. Okay, so if you have access to more, then you can work with those ones. Okay, so these three, I'm done, I'm good to go. Okay, with this smart button, you can actually create a smart button. You can actually create a donate button. As you can see with the name, it's very simple. And we have this smart subscribe button. This is for subscription plan. But this smart button, if I click on this right now, I can create a smart button. So this is how the button is actually going to look like with PayPal. Very simple. So all I need to do now is to select a price, fixed price, give the item a description, then add the price here. I can say it's 100 USD, and shipping fee. If a product we want to collect shipping fee for, then you enter the shipping fee here. So enter the tax rate here. But for me, I don't need all this one. So you can also customize how the button is going to look like, but just leave it the way it is. Okay, so once we've done all these things, then we just need to copy the code. As you can see, the code is copied. Now how do we add the code to our Google site? Very simple. So come over to your Google site, then scroll down to wherever you want to add it. Now remember, you can add it anywhere, so just double click on where you want to add it and select this embed section, or you scroll down, you scroll up here and you're going to find embed. Just click on embed. Okay, so just click on embed now, and it's going to ask us to embed by URL or with code. So we have the code, so we're going to be using the code. So right now we're going to paste the code, copy from PayPal right here. So once we paste it, click on next. It's actually going to try to scan it and give us exactly what it's going to look like. So this is what it's going to look like. So we are fine, this is exactly what we want. Then we click on insert. So the button is going to be inserted right here. So this one is directly from PayPal, so you can as well extend it to fit the screen perfectly. Now as you can see, this is actually looking great, so we can as well reduce this one to actually match up. Okay, let me reduce this very well. Let me make this look good. Okay, yeah, I think it's okay now. Yeah, I think it's okay now, so we can actually preview this stuff and see exactly how it looks, and trust me, it's going to be lovely, it's going to be beautiful, it's going to be fine. So it's actually loading up the button. So once the button loads up, we're going to find the button, as you can see here. So people can easily pay you with their PayPal, okay, if you integrate this as your payment gateway. So as you can see, these are payment gateways we can integrate into our Google sites without any really hustle. Okay, we don't really need to be a developer to do these things. Okay, so people can just click on PayPal, pay with PayPal and pay you, or they can also pay you with debit or credit card, which is powered by PayPal as well. So yeah, these are the ways we integrate payment gateways into our Google site. Look at the first one. If they click on this text now, it's going to take them to the link where they are going to make payments, which is the first one I showed you, which is Flutterwave. Okay, so yeah, it's actually very simple to integrate, and yeah, look at the Flutterwave link I showed you, very simple. So now they can actually pay for stuff easily. So yeah, this is what I showed you. So now I've showed you Flutterwave, I've showed you Paystack, I've showed you PayPal. Then you can also do the same with Stripe. Okay, so if you have a Stripe account or you want to integrate with Stripe, very simple. So just need to have your account set up and verified. So once you have a Stripe account set up and verified, go to products. Okay, if you go to products, scroll down here, you're going to find if you go to products now, you're going to find this payment links. Okay, this is payment links. Okay, this is payment link. So just click on payment link and you are going to find some of the instructions. As you can see here, use payment link to sell online without any code or website. Create a full payment page in a few clicks and share the link with your customers. Okay, no code required, so you don't need to add any code. So with this payment link, you can just create the link, add it to your products on your Google site or any text as well, and whenever they click on it, they are going to be taken to where they need to make, then they're going to make payment easily, so they can pay you with your Stripe into your Stripe account. Okay, so that's one thing I love about Google sites. It allows you, it gives you a lot of flexibility, some level of flexibility, not a lot. Okay, some level of flexibility for you to add some of these payment gateways easily. Okay, so I believe you enjoyed the video. If you have any question at all, tell me in the comment section. I'll be there to answer the questions as they come. And if you have any other payment gateway you feel like I didn't talk about, then you can as well tell me in the comment section, and you can help one or two people that actually needs it. Okay, so this is the video. I believe it was helpful. If it was, make sure to give it a thumbs up, it actually helps, and subscribe to the channel as well. So make sure you check out all these payment gateways and how to integrate them, just like I've showed you in this video. Very simple. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much for watching.